Introducing the UCG5040CNC external grinder. Center distance measures a massive 1000 mm. Center height of 270 mm ensures stability. Grinds external diameters from 25 to 500 mm. Using center rest, handles 25 to 200 mm. Internal grinding ranges from 30 to 200 mm. With center rest, internal grinding 35 to 200. Maximum external grinding length is 4000 mm. Maximum internal grinding length is 320 mm. Handles workpieces weighing up to 1000 kg. Total machine power reaches 24 kVA for efficiency. Machine size is 8780 by 3100 by 2180 mm. Net weight of machine is 12,400 kg heavy. Z-axis feet has maximum travel of 4,250 mm. Feed speed range from 0.001 to 6 meters per minute. Micro feed rate precision down to 0.001 mm. Driven by the 0.3 kW high accuracy servo motor. X-axis feed offers maximum travel at 410 mm. Cross motion feed speed 0.001 to 6 meters minute. Wheel head supports large grinding wheel at 600 mm. Wheel peripheral speed can reach 45 meters per second. Wheel head spindle rotates at 1450 revolutions per minute. Spindle motor powered by 11 kW strong motor. Rapid reverse stroke allows 50 mm fast adjustment. Built strong, operates smoothly, and accurate grinding. Advanced CNC control guarantees optimal grinding performance. Robust design minimizes vibration and increases stability. Perfect for precision industries requiring consistent results. Equipped with efficient cooling for longer wheel life. Supports various grinding applications seamlessly and easily. Invest in UCG5040CNC for maximum production efficiency. Experience smooth operation with outstanding grinding quality. Your ideal choice for industrial grinding and precision.